Anna, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you enjoy all things Disney, mom stuff, and travel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So today we're going to be unboxing The Nightmare Before Christmas. And this is series 5, so I'm excited. So, little backstory. I actually went to Party City. Had no idea that they sell these things. I went there to pick up balloons for my little guy because he just turned 6, and while checking out I saw that they had these. So it looks like you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to collect them all, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the only reason I have 7 was because they only had 7 in series 5, so I figured let me get what they have and let me see how I like them, and we'll take it from there. And then maybe I'll stop by another day and see if they have more. And I got my Haunted Mansion ears on to kind of like go with this spooky theme. And this is actually from a small shop on Etsy. They are amazing. So I'll leave her shop information down below. She's amazing. Support small businesses when you can, because it just means a lot to everybody and to the community, and you know, you're supporting someone's family. So without further ado, let's start opening up these little baggies. So there's lots of characters that you could get, but there's 2 exclusive ones, which probably is Jack and another one is Sally, I would think, because it kind of looks like them in the back. Do you guys see it? You see it? Yeah, kind of the shape is it. Alright, so without further ado, let's open our first little baggie. Alright, I'm actually going to grab scissors to make it a little bit easier for myself. Alright, so first one. It is Jack. How adorable is he? This is really good quality. Yeah, and I guess it's kind of like a keychain clip, or Aiden actually would love to put this on his backpack. This is so cute. Oh, I love Jack. Jack is my guy. Okay, let's open the next little baggie. I'm using scissors. It's just much easier. Okay. So these guys, I don't know all the characters by heart, but this is Lock, Shock, and Barrel. It's been a minute since I watched the cartoon. That's awesome. These are really good quality, and I think these were, I want to say they were $6.99. Very cute. All right. This is the empty one. Okay. And okay, I see they put this paper to kind of hide, you know, so you can't really feel it. I'm never good at that, but I've heard that people who are masters and who are major collectors of all things Disney, including figurines and mystery pins and boxes, they could sometimes feel it out. Okay. Oh, Zero. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Oh my god, he is just so stinking cute. Alright, so far so good, guys. Open 3, and we got 3 different ones, so I have 4 more baggies to go. I'm not as nervous as I was unboxing my mystery pins last time, and I'll link that video over here. That was like my first time. And I was nervous because it's like you don't know what you're gonna get, and you want to collect obviously the whole series, so that was so nerve-wracking. But now I'm like, all right, this is fun. Oh my gosh, look who's inside. Can you see? It is the one and only Oogie Boogie. How cute is he? Wow, they have like weight to them. I have to say they are very good quality. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, look at this Oogie Boogie guy. He's awesome. I love it. Love it. Okay. So far we got Jack, Zero, Oogie Boogie, and Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Awesome. Okay. Alright, this is amazing. Okay. Just 3 more baggies to go. Alright, now I'm getting a little nervous. I should take back what I said before because I don't want to get a duplicate. Oh, okay. Well, this is a nice duplicate. Alright. We got one more Oogie Boogie. He is just adorable. Okay. 2 more. Now I'm going to try to feel them. I don't know. I really can't. I really can't do it. Okay. I am so excited. Okay, so we have, oh, she's a beauty. Love her. We have Sally. Oh my goodness, look how precious she is. As much as I love Jack and Zero and Oogie Boogie, I love Sally. I love. So, but this is not, I don't think this is the one that's on the box. So this is not, I mean, this is the one that's on the back, so it's not the exclusive mystery Sally. All right, guys, we have one more baggie. I have to say, so far so good with only one duplicate of Oogie Boogie. So let's get into this last baggie. Jack. I thought for some reason maybe it's a different one, but it's the same one. It's the same Jack. Oh, he's so cute. Love it. Love it. Okay, so I think that wasn't bad. We got a lot of characters. And let me show you again. So we have a duplicate of Jack. Adorable. I feel like I'm gonna make this into like a Christmas ornament. Like if you just took this off, like this can totally be a Christmas ornament for the tree. We have a duplicate of Oogie Boogie. And then we have Sally. She's so cute. We have Zero. Adorable. And we have Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Alright, so for those of you who have watched this video to the end, surprise! I'm going to be giving away these 2 characters, Jack and Oogie Boogie, to 2 lucky winners. Since I have duplicates and I really don't need a duplicate, and I think that they're so cute, the quality is amazing, so I decided I'm going to do a little giveaway. And to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed, of course. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you follow us over at Happy Travel Vlogs because we're most likely going to be communicating with you over there. And most importantly, leave us a comment down below and let us know who is your favorite character from Nightmare Before Christmas, and would you prefer to get Jack Skellington or Oogie Boogie? Alright, so we're gonna leave this giveaway up for probably just a couple of days, and once we like and heart and reply to your comment, you know that you are the winner. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited about this mini little surprise giveaway, and I can't wait to see who wins. Talk to you soon.